Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these triple chocolate hot cross buns. Let's begin. To start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your flour, salt and cocoa powder, and just whisk them all together until they are fully combined. It doesn't take very long, just use a separate whisk to mix it in. You can then go ahead and add in your remaining ingredients, starting with the yeast, followed by the butter, the milk powder, sugar, eggs and water, and then mix this together on a low speed to start with for around 2 minutes, followed by a further 4 to 6 minutes on a medium high. And this is important as you want the dough to be the perfect consistency. You should clean the bowl once it's mixed, and that shows a good dough, which this dough does do. Around half the time into your second speed, you can add in the chocolate chips and just mix these in for the remaining time, or just until they're fully incorporated. Then lightly flour your work surface with some of the dough and just give it a knead until it's smooth and elastic. It won't take very long. Bring into a ball shape and then place into a lightly oiled bowl and cover that and leave it somewhere to proof for around an hour or until it's doubled in size. So here is what the dough looks like after an hour of being proofed. It will need to be warm for it to proof well, but not so hot that it melts the chocolate. Remove the cling film from on top and place the dough onto a floured surface and then knock it back. This is just the process of removing the gases that have built up in the dough during the first proofing time. It completely normally shows that all of your ingredients are active and working. Then you'll want to go ahead and start to scale off the dough. So take the total weight of your dough and divide it by 12, then scale each ball of dough to that exact weight, and you'll have 12 perfectly sized balls of dough. It takes a little while, but it's not a tedious job, and trust me, it's worth it in the end. Once you've smoothed the dough off into a ball shape, you can then go ahead and place them into your 9 by 13 inch cake tin or pan and give them space as they do prove up and batch, which is perfect in what you're looking for with these, as you do want to be able to tear them away. Cover it loosely with cling film and leave somewhere warm for around 45 minutes to an hour until they have doubled in size and they are now batched up. So just before you put them in the oven, you'll want to make the crossing paste, which is just tablespoons of flour with water mixed together until it forms a paste which is pipeable, and you don't want it to be too thick nor too runny. So find the perfect consistency. It can take a short while, but don't worry, it's completely worth it. Once you've got the perfect consistency, pipe it, place it into a piping bag, and then you're good to go. So as you can tell, the hot cross buns are risen well, which is perfect. Gently remove that cling film, as sometimes the cling film sticks to the dough. Gently remove it, then you can go ahead and just start to pipe your cross on top of your hot cross buns. So you can pipe them individually if you really want to, but to give them that bit of character, I do it the way I learned when working in a supermarket bakery, just to pipe them directly over like that. And as you do it, and if you're working with larger numbers, you will get quicker at it. So as you can tell, I had a bit of a squiggle here, but don't worry, if they don't get eaten, you can make a recipe which will be coming on Thursday. Once you've got the cross onto your hot cross buns, you can then go ahead and place them into your preheated oven. All of the baking times, temperatures and everything you need to know will be linked in the blog post, which will be linked down below. As soon as the hot cross buns came out of the oven, I brushed them over with a generous amount of simple syrup and then allowed them to cool completely. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another recipe, which includes me using these in the recipe, so keep your eyes peeled. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. So don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. So don't forget to go and follow me over there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.